So I realized the other day that I never really seem to assign a set time or ever really give myself time to do any kind of self-care. So I've decided from this point onwards that the first of every month, regardless of what day it is, regardless of what's happening, I am gonna do self-care. I just never really give myself that kind of attention, you know? But I've decided that no, things are gonna change. I do deserve that. So there's a lot to deal with. I'm very gross in every aspect right now. There's hair growing in places that hair really shouldn't grow, even though it's natural, but I don't want hair there. My hair is a mess, my nails are a mess, my feet are a mess. I'm just a mess right now, you know? I made a list. The first thing on this list is dye hair and brows, so that's what I'm gonna do first. There's also at the bottom is water my plants, and I put in brackets because they deserve a pamper too. I think first of all, because I'm gonna dye my hair, I'm gonna take this jumper off, because even though I've had this jumper since I was like 12 years old, I really like it and I still get compliments on it now. I'm gonna get changed into something that I don't mind getting dye on it. But okay, now I'm gonna take my hair out and assess the situation. It has been multiple days since I've washed my hair, so my hair is especially good. So first of all, I'm gonna brush this. Hair dye that I've used plenty of times before, and that is Colour Freedom. Recently I've been using the other kind of grey, stone grey. I actually prefer that, but they didn't have any more of that left, so I had to get graphite grey. Of course, they had to include the noisiest gloves ever. Unscrew this and start. Right, I think I'm done. Ooh, actually, I want to do some on my brows, even though everyone always says don't ever put hair dye on your brows. I don't care. I do have like a little mascara one somewhere, but I can't seem to find it, so I'm just gonna... Fine, it's fine, my brows will be fine. So now it's time for the hair removal. Oh, so the shirt is off. Although none of you asked to ever see this, I'm gonna show it you anyway. This is what it looks like when you don't do anything to your underarms for a month. Boom! Kind of getting some like Mr. Bean vibes with these brows. I don't know what it is. Is it just me or can you see it? It's been the recommended amount of time. I'm gonna jump in the shower, scrub all this off, and then I'll get back to you in just a little bit, okay? I don't think there's much difference in terms of my hair colour. I mean, I don't really know what I was expecting. Basically the same colour that was already on my hair, but sorry to disappoint. There's not going to be any dramatic change there. So the next step that I'm going to do, once I've done this, is I'm going to pluck my brows. I just have to be careful not to just continuously pluck until I have no brow, because it will get to that point. So my brows are done. Oh my god. The next next thing on the list is a face mask. This is the face mask that I've got. Honey Dew Purple Mask. Got a lot of stuff in it. You just put it on your face and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. Go into my foot spa. This. Oh, it's cold. Oh, that feels so nice. Right, and then with the excess, I just tend to like rub it in. So I think I'm now going to take off my nail varnish. The nail varnish is off. Before I file my nails, I'm just going to clip them away a little bit. Okay, so they're now nice and clipped and clean. So the reason why I do it that way is so then when I file them, I'm not like filing for ages. If anything, all I'm doing is just sorting out the edges, smoothing them out a little bit. Okay, so I think I'm gonna run the foot spa for a while, just to kind of massage my feet. So something I didn't think through is my lip scrub, so I'm gonna have to be really careful. And that is it. That is the end of my pampering video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I bring out videos every Friday, Saturday and Sunday, so there's plenty to go around. You're not gonna be bored with me unless you find my content boring and then